How to download YouTube in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download YouTube app in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to know is that there is no standalone app dedicated for your PC for YouTube. So you can search that up as well. You can head over to your Microsoft Store and search for YouTube and you won't find any app. So as you can see, there is no YouTube available. So what you can do instead of downloading the app is first head over to YouTube. So let's open up our youtube.com. Let me just go there and there we go. Now, after you open up your YouTube on your Chrome browser, what you'll get is an option right here that says install YouTube. Now, this is not actually downloading the app itself, but it is creating a shortcut which you can actually visit when you open YouTube. So as you can see, now this is the only app, this is the only way that you can actually download a YouTube app on your Windows device. So yeah, this is how you do it. And that's all for today's video. All you have to do is visit YouTube and tap on that icon that was here earlier and YouTube will get installed. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.